Welcome back to another episode where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of mops. Yes, you heard that right, mops. Because who doesn't love a good clean floor? On my left, we have the Bissell SpinWave Cordless Pet Hard Floor Spin Mop. The mop that's so fancy, it should be wearing a tuxedo. And on my right, we have the REECOO Steam Mop, which sounds like it's ready to take on your dirt like a superhero in a cape. So let's get this mop off started. First up, let's talk about the price. The Bissell SpinWave comes in at a whopping $154, which is a bit steep, but reviewers appreciate its effectiveness on tile and laminate floors, especially for homes with pets and kids. Meanwhile, the REECOO Steam Mop is priced at just $69, making it a budget-friendly option. Reviewers noted that while it's affordable, some had issues with its cleaning power compared to higher-end models. So, if you're on a budget, the REECOO is like that friend who always knows where the happy hour is. But if you want to splurge, the Bissell is like that one friend who insists on ordering the lobster. Next, let's talk about freedom. The Bissell is cordless, which means you can clean without being tethered to a wall like a dog on a short leash. Reviewers love its ease of use and effectiveness, although some mention the battery lasts around 30 minutes. On the other hand, the REECOO Steam Mop heats up in just 15 seconds, but it does need to be plugged in. Reviewers enjoy its strong steam power for tough stains, but some noted it struggles with certain surfaces. So if you're looking for freedom, the Bissell wins this round. But if you want steam power, the REECOO is your guy. Now let's talk about cleaning power. The Bissell features powerful spinning mop pads that get your floors shining, and users rave about how well it cleans grout lines. However, some found the battery life lacking. Meanwhile, the REECOO Steam Mop claims to dissolve stubborn stains with its 1200 W power and 260 degrees Fahrenheit steam. Reviewers have mixed feelings. While some rave about its effectiveness on various surfaces, others faced issues with inconsistent steam output. So if you've got some tough stains, the REECOO might just be the steam-powered superhero your floors need. Now, let's get into the accessories. The Bissell comes with multiple pads and even a trial-size formula, making it feel like a spa day for your floors. Reviewers appreciate these extras for making cleaning easier. The REECOO, however, is a multitasker with its 10-in-1 functionality. Users love its versatility for cleaning different surfaces, but some mentioned that the mop heads can be hard to clean. So while the Bissell pampers your floors, the REECOO is like the Swiss Army knife of mops. Overall, the Bissell SpinWave is praised for its ease of use and effectiveness, especially in homes with pets. However, its battery life is a common concern among users. The REECOO Steam Mop is appreciated for its affordability and versatility, but it sometimes falls short on performance compared to more expensive models. So after all this comparing, which mop should you buy? If you want cordless freedom and a bit of pampering for your floors, the Bissell SpinWave is your go-to. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly powerhouse that can tackle more than just floors, the REECOO Steam Mop is your new best friend. Remember, whether you choose the fancy Bissell or the versatile REECOO, your floors will thank you. If you enjoyed this mop-off, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a showdown. Comment below which mop you'd choose and why. Let's get the debate going. Until next time, keep buying smart and cleaning hard.